You're watching CKWS News at Noon.
Nice to see you on this Thursday afternoon. In a couple of words, cooling and rainy for the holiday long weekend. Getting there, though, we'll concentrate on today. Not a bad day. We do have some sunshine. Starting to cloud over, though. We'll hit a high of 24, 25 degrees for Kingston, close to the water. Humidity still an issue. We could be dealing with humidex values in the low 30s. Right across eastern Ontario. Overnight dropping down to a low of 19 degrees. As far as our futurecast images are concerned, we've been talking about rain. Yeah, here's that system that we'll be dealing with as early as tomorrow morning for parts of western Ontario. It'll reach us for Belleville and Kingston morning into the evening. And we catch a little bit of a break Saturday, but then more rain on the other side of that. That could last all the way into early next week with some varying amounts. I'll break that down for you right now. But Belleville today, enjoy 27 degrees, a humidex value of feeling like 32, some sunshine on the way. Now tomorrow, 19 degrees, a big drop, but even at that 19, still above average. 15 millimeters of rain is expected, down to 16 on Saturday with another 5 millimeters expected. And for Brockville, a nice one for you today, a mix of sun and clouds, 28 degrees, a humidex factor of it feeling a little warmer than that, but yeah, 28, another record-breaking temperature for much of the region today. 21 for tomorrow, 20 millimeters of rain, and then down to a little below average. Yeah, we haven't seen that in a while. For Saturday, 14 degrees and 25 millimeters of rain. Yes, keep your umbrellas handy. It's going to be a wet weekend. Same for Smiths Falls here. So a warm one today, 27 degrees, starting to cloud over, a humidex value of feeling like 31. And then for tomorrow, 21 degrees, 15 millimeters of rain, and then down to 14 for Saturday. Look at these plummeting temperatures. We can thank that polar vortex reaching down towards us. 14 degrees expected for Saturday with 25 millimeters of rain and a return to single-digit overnight lows. Now Kingston today, 25, 26 degrees, a mix of sun and clouds, a humidex value of it feeling like 30, down to 20 for a high to end the week with 20 millimeters of rain. 16 on Saturday, 15 millimeters of rain. So all these temperatures for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday above average, and then by Sunday for Thanksgiving, a little bit below average. Yeah, only getting to 11 with a light rain. Much the same for Monday. So beginning tomorrow, keep your umbrellas handy.
Brought to you by your locally owned Midas in Belleville, Brockville, and Kingston. For brakes, tires, oil, everything. Midas will keep you safe and on the road in all weather conditions.
Thanks for being here. I'm your buddy Bill, and this is Thursday evening. And I've noticed something funny this week. As the week progressed, people are increasingly happier. I think it's because it's a holiday-long weekend approaching. Let's talk about overnight. 17 degrees, so very mild. Increasing cloudiness and wind will pick up. Gusts around 40 to 50 kilometers per hour overnight for parts of the region. And when you wake up, you'll see some rain, and more than a few days of rain. 20 degrees is our expected high, so a big difference between the highs from today and tomorrow. However, 20 is still above average, 20 millimeters of rain in the forecast. And I mentioned some rain. Yeah, that's what we'll be dealing with tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, and even beyond. So we had a little bit of sunshine today, mostly cloudy though. Now with those clouds, yeah, here's that rain I'm talking about. Kingston, Belleville, parts of the region, 20 millimeters of rain. And then overnight it sort of subsides, but then for Saturday, another system that'll bring even more rain. And that's not it, because Sunday, Thanksgiving Sunday, a light rain also in the forecast at this point. Belleville, 19 degrees for you tomorrow, still above average, but much cooler, much more comfortable than what we've seen all week long. 15 millimeters of rain for tomorrow, and for Saturday, a light rain, 2 to 4 millimeters of rain. A drop in temperatures, but still above average. Yeah, 16 degrees. Average high this time of year is around 15, and for Sunday, 11 degrees, the expected high. So yeah, we are really cooling down. 5 millimeters of rain for your Sunday, which is Thanksgiving. Incidentally, happy Thanksgiving to you. For Brockville, 21 degrees for tomorrow. You're looking at that chance of rain later in the day, and a high of 22 degrees. 14 for Saturday, 25 millimeters of rain, and then 10 degrees on Sunday for your Thanksgiving, 5 to 10 millimeters of rain. Now Smiths Falls, 21 degrees tomorrow. You could be looking at around 15 millimeters of rain, another 15 for Saturday, 14 degrees the expected high. So yeah, temperatures progressively dropping, and by Sunday dropping to well below average. Yeah, single-digit high for you, Smiths Falls, for Sunday, 9 degrees and 10 millimeters of rain. And for Kingston, well, here's how our next 5 days are progressing. So we're looking at a drop in temperatures, a big drop in temperatures. I think much of the region, we're breaking daytime highs all week long. Kingston, we're not going to be breaking any records tomorrow, but it's still above average. I think we hit 25, 26 degrees today. We'll drop down to around 20 for a high tomorrow. 20 millimeters of rain expected, and then 16 on Saturday with more rain. We're looking at 15 to 20 millimeters at this point. And then for Sunday, Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving Day to you, 5 millimeters of rain as we only get to 11 degrees. And we're also returning to single-digit overnight lows as well. You'll definitely notice a drop in temperatures for the next several days. Monday, pretty much the same thing. We're dealing with a light rain, maybe 5 millimeters to begin your week, and it is a holiday for many people on Monday. Only getting to 11 degrees, again, well below average. Tuesday, not much better, only getting to 12 with the chance of a light rain. Look at these rainy icons, my goodness. For Wednesday, 13 degrees. Also a chance of rain. And if you're wondering, Bill, any rain on Thursday? Guess what? At this point, more rain on Thursday. And climbing to where we should be, 15 degrees. So yeah, well above average to well below average, and then settling down by next Thursday to where we should be. Right now, some weather wallpaper.
Weather Wallpaper is brought to you by Christine Geary's Maple Leaf Tours Travel Cruise. Visit mapleleaftours.com to get into the picture.
Sharon Wilkinson, beautiful. Thank you so much for this picture taken in Plevna, Ontario. And if my geography is correct, that's just north of Calidar. But Sharon writes, I thought I would share some of the amazing colors we have up here in Plevna, North Frontenac Township, and in particular at Sand Lake from the public beach where I took this image today while out looking at the fall colors. Mother Nature really has brought out all her best crayons in the box to share her amazing artwork on the trees with us. Couldn't have said it better, Sharon. And a lot of people are going to miss summer. A lot of people really not interested in fall because winter's behind that. However, one of the beautiful things about fall, this speaks volumes. Gorgeous. Thank you so much, Sharon. If you have any pictures to send us, we would love to share them. Submissions at ckwstv.com or head over to globalnews.ca/Kingston. Outstanding, huh, guys?
Yes, you are, Bill, and that picture is not shabby either. Certainly, you're painting a wet picture for the next 7 days. We'll find out what your 10-day outlook has in store a little later. Thank you, Bill. Over to Bill now with the 10-day outlook.
I guess the next 10 days or so, in a word, wet. Yeah, we'll break it down for you right now. Here's a look at your long-range forecast. Enjoy a high of 20 degrees tomorrow. We are dealing with some rain right across the board. 20 millimeters worth of rain tomorrow. We are having that dip in temperatures compared to 25, 26, 27 that we've seen all week long. But even 20 is still well above average. For Saturday, dipping down to 16 degrees, more rain expected. I'm just going to say it. We have rain going all the way into next weekend, but fluctuating temperatures here. Sunday and Monday, 11 degrees is as good as we'll get. 12 for Tuesday, up to 13 for Wednesday. Thursday, 15 degrees. Next Friday, 17 degrees, and then settling down to 14 degrees for Saturday and Sunday. Have a great evening. We'll see you real soon.
Your long-range weather. You're watching CKWS News at 11.
Thanks so much for spending some time with us on this Thursday evening overnight. Not too bad. We're going to drop down to around 17 degrees, increasing cloudiness, and with those clouds, we're dealing with some rain tomorrow. A bit of a note, though, for overnight. Expect some wind, windy conditions right across eastern Ontario, in some cases gusts around 50 kilometers per hour, so batten down the hatches and you may want to start thinking about building an ark. Yeah, we have some rain tomorrow. For Kingston, much of the region around 20 millimeters worth of rain as we climb to 20 degrees. And with our futurecast images, here's what we're dealing with. Saw a little bit of sunshine today, but mostly cloudy. Now with those clouds, like I said, rain beginning in the morning, around 20 millimeters worth of rain throughout the day. We catch a little bit of a break in the evening and overnight, and then rain starts up again for Saturday, and this low pressure is not going to want to let go. It's going to stay with us into Sunday, Monday, and even beyond. Belleville, good evening to you. 19 degrees your expected high for tomorrow, so still above average, but a big drop in temperatures, 15 millimeters worth of rain. 16 for Saturday, 2 to 4 millimeters of rain, and for Thanksgiving, only getting to 11, and very chilly overnight lows beginning this weekend as well. 5 millimeters of rain expected for Sunday. Brockville, 21 degrees tomorrow, and dealing with some rain. 15 on Saturday, 25 millimeters worth of rain for your Thanksgiving. 11 degrees, 5 to 10 millimeters worth of rain, and also, again, single-digit overnight lows. So a cooling trend definitely is here for Smiths Falls. 21 degrees, 15 millimeters worth of rain tomorrow. 15 on Saturday, 15 millimeters of rain as well. And then still raining on Sunday. Yeah, like I said, keep your umbrellas close by. Only getting to 10 on Sunday for your Thanksgiving. 10 millimeters of rain. Kingston's wet. 7 days forecast here for tomorrow. 20 degrees, 20 millimeters of rain. 16 on Saturday, definitely cooler and dealing with around 20 millimeters of rain as well. 12 on Sunday and more rain, a light rain at that though. 11 on Monday, Tuesday, more rain, 12 degrees. 13 on Wednesday, more rain. Thursday, more rain, and a high of 15 degrees. We'll see you real soon.